To get Man City up the field. This one was just ridiculous.
Yeah. Party's over? Okay, dog. Oh, Whoopee!
Huh?
How long is this going to take?
Huh?
Oh no, you got the baby while it's down. Now I can't beat the turtle. Oh, you got it back up. Thank you, Mama.
Checho!
I'm blind. Go Really, Tony? Right in front of me.
Come on. Come on, Jet. Come on, big jump. Come on. Oh, no. Come on. Come on, no.
Come on!
Chi è stato? Chi è stato? Rudy? Rudy? Sei stato te? Che hai fatto?
Ready? Oh! Oh!
It's the final brain cell. Nino, 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 nino.
It was at this moment that he knew. He
What is that?
Oh, it's a chicken. Okay.
Tells you anything different, he's a liar and a snake. You. Okay.
Not supposed to do this. You not supposed to do this. You make a mess. You pick up your mess. Okay? Okay?
你真洗手吧。是啊。
Take it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
My happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that happy. Oh, the happy dog.
Dança, papai. Cachorro feliz, feliz, feliz. Cachorro feliz.
Excuse me, I had an appointment for today.
He's new.
Oh.
This is definitely going to be a good workout for me. Carried an extra 20 pounds on it.
And then tuck your pants back in your... Pra ele fazer essa linhacinha dele, que não adianta, ele só gosta de bola. De bola que ele gosta.
It's great, but pizza, you can have one bite. Bro. Stop. They're just playing together.
Open the door or I'm gonna throw rocks through your windows, you dumb whore.
Paw? Too slow. Paw? Can I get a paw, please? Boy, can I get a paw? Too slow. Paw. Come on. Come on, buddy. You can do it. Here, here. I won't look. I won't look. Come on. Paw. Paw. Come on. Go. Too slow.
Really? Is that what you're gonna do? Yeah, that's a bad plan, isn't it? Yep, moving on.
Who's my cutie? Who's my cutie? Who's my cutie?
Give it 2 weeks and you'll have all the hugs you need.
Or weird. I'll go first.
What's up? I see.
Okay. Do you want some food?
You, Brittany.
Check it out.
Stella. I'm sorry. Barley.
Alright, got her some more celery. Here you go, Mama. What was that? What was that?
And Tootie. Rudy, what happened? What happened, Tootie?
Mother, took all the things. Ow! God damn it!
No. He sounds like she's laughing.
เฮ้ยสวัสดี
What are you doing?
Yes, here we go.
No.
Stella, guess what? You just got 50,000 followers. Are you excited? Give me a high five. Yes.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save...
And then I saw her face. I'm a believer.
So I just found out that the world doesn't revolve around me. I am quite shocked and very upset.
Happy birthday, Ezekiel.
Yay! Begin to pass out. And my head hit the wall. Boom.
What the hell? Oh my God, no way, yeah.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now...